Hey, you know the grind don't stop. Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Before and after the mix. Just about done with this workout real quick. You know I gotta bring sexy back, so I gotta do this workout every day now. And the best thing I like about this, I like to do this in front of the TV. You feel me? Right now, I'm watching One Punch Man, and I'm legit I'm working out. But I'm also chilling while I get this workout in. You know what I mean? So, whatever it takes, people. Whatever it takes, make it happen. But, what do I got for you guys today? I'm updating my setup, man. You see the thumbnail. You see the title. So, let's get right into it, okay? Alright, so I love my setup. I really do. It makes me feel like a real gamer, professional gamer, professional YouTuber, if you want to call it that. But an issue I'm having right now is with audio. It's not loud, and the monitor does not come with. I can't even speak right now. It doesn't come with a built-in speaker, so which is why I went out and got this headset. And the headphones are fine. Like right now, I'll move. You can hear it, but this is how loud it gets. Like, let's say I'm watching a movie or whatever. This is it. This is how loud it gets. You know what? I'll put on a show that will give you guys the perfect example real quick. Of course, I'm gonna put One Punch Man. All right, so I'm loading it up now. This sound is actually coming from the headset. And it's fairly loud, but it's not as loud. And again, it's not a big deal. It shouldn't be a big deal, but to me, I find it a big deal, which is why I went out and got this. Here it is. Boom. This is how it comes. Blue D. A simple box, but it should make a difference. I will definitely go ahead and unbox this shit right now. But before I even do that, do me a favor, hit the like for the video. You know, subscribe to the channel if you have. Good Lord. Why didn't you guys tell me I look like a beast, man? God. Let's go take care of this shit right now, man. Good. I'll be back. God damn. All right. Now that I've taken care of this, you know, you got to take care of this too, people. You know what I mean? You know, now I look like a human being. You know, I got the swagger on me. You know what I mean? The cure to COVID itself.